Very good morning, class 2. Here's your English literature class, and we are doing poem The Sun. Okay, so today we are going to do the answer these questions of this poem. So let's start. Question 1 is take the correct sentences. Here are some sentences given. We have to take the correct ones. Okay, the speaker thinks that the sun. In these sentences, they are telling us about what the speaker thinks about the sun. So, we have to take the correct sentences. The speaker thinks that the sun A sleeps at night. Yes, speaker thinks that the sun sleeps at night. So, take this sentence. Mark a tick in front of this sentence A. B. Sentence B is hides behind the hills. This is also the correct statement. So, mark a tick in front of sentence B also. C becomes the moon in the night. The speaker thinks that the sun becomes the moon in the night. Yes, he thinks so. So, this is also a correct statement. Mark a tick in front of C also. Next is D. Hides behind the clouds at night. This is the wrong sentence. Don't mark a tick in front of sentence D. Now come to the sentence E. Goes back to its home to sleep. Yes, the speaker thinks that the sun goes back to its home to sleep. Mark a tick in front of sentence E. Next is sentence F. Hides in the forest. This is the wrong sentence, so leave it as it is. Now, last one is sentence G. Goes around the earth. The speaker thinks that the sun goes around the earth. This is the correct statement. So, mark a tick in front of sentence G. How many sentences are correct here? A. Sleeps at night. B. Hides behind the hills. C. Becomes the moon in the night. E. Goes back to its home to sleep. And G. Goes around the earth. So these 5 are the correct sentences. You have to mark a tick in front of these 5. Okay. Now come to the next question. Now come to question number 2. What does the speaker think the moon is? What does the speaker think the moon is? Answer to is the speaker thinks that the moon is the other side of the sun. Answer to the the speaker speaker. The speaker thinks thinks that the moon moon is is the other other side of of the the sun full stop. Answer to is the speaker thinks that the moon is the other side of the sun. Now come to the next question, that is question number 3. According to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? According to the speaker or according to the poet, where does the sun hide? Sun कहाँ छिपता था? Answer number 3. According to the speaker, the sun hides behind the hills. Answer 3. According. According. According to. The the speaker speaker. According to the speaker, comma, the the sun sun hides hides behind behind the the hills hills full stop. Answer 3 is according to the speaker, the sun hides behind the hills. Now come to the next question, that is question number 4. Why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? Answer 4 is the speaker wonders if the sun needs to rest after spending so much light and warmth all around the world. सन को रेस्ट क्यों चाहिए होता था? क्योंकि वो इतनी सारी लाइट और इतनी सारी वार्मथ पूरे वर्ल्ड को प्रोवाइड करता है. ओके, सो आंसर 4 इज द THE द स्पीकर SPEAKER स्पीकर wonders WONDERS if IFF the 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 sun 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 needs 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 to TO2 rest 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 after 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 spending 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 so so much 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 light 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 and warmth 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 all all around 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 the the world WORLD world. So answer 4 is the speaker wonders if the sun needs to rest after spending so much light and warmth all around the world. So these are the question answers of poem The Sun. Okay, you need to do this in your notebooks. Now come to the next one. Write this poem in your notebook. In this poem, there is another poem given. So you have to write this poem in your notebooks. This poem is about the clouds. White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you stand still. When the wind blows, you run away slow. White sheep, where do you go? This poem is about the clouds. What are clouds? Clouds means badal. Okay? So in this poem, they are denoting the clouds as a white sheep. They are saying white sheep on a blue hill. Blue is the color of the sky, and in the blue sky there are clouds which looks like a white sheep. When the wind stops, you stand still. When there is no wind, you stand still. And when the wind blows, you run away slow. And when the wind started blowing, the clouds moving away slowly. White sheep, where do you go? And they are asking the clouds, white sheep, where do you go? आप कहाँ चले जाते हो? Okay, so this is the poem you have to write in your notebooks, and you all have to do the answer these questions and this poem in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay class, so this is all for today. Thank you.